In front of me is Infinix Note 40 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access App Management. Then select the default apps. Tap on one of those sections to manage it, like Browser app, and apply a perfect one from your downloaded ones by clicking on it. When you finished, just go back. As you can see after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!